Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Forest River's Flagstaff E Pro. It's a lightweight travel trailer line designed to be pulled by small SUVs or crossovers. E Pros range in weight from as little as 1,200 pounds to about 3,200 pounds and vary in length from 11.5 feet to 20 feet. There are quite a few options regarding floor plans. The E Pro lineup has 11 floor plans, starting with a toy hauler, which is pretty rare in smaller lightweight travel trailers. The 16TH toy hauler features a surprisingly deep garage area, nearly 9 feet, with a 5-foot wide ramp door opening and nearly 1,700 pounds on cargo carrying capacity. 2 flip bed/sofas provide the sleeping accommodations in the garage area, and an efficient kitchen is against the front wall. There are 2 floor plans specifically designed for the get-up-and-go outdoor adventure, the 12RK and 12SRK. Both are extremely lightweight and can be easily towed by a small SUV. They also both have unique rear-end outdoor kitchens and sleeping accommodations that fill up the interior. Moving up in size and features, you'll find the 14FK and 15TB. The major difference between these and the 12s is a wet bath. Layouts for the two are essentially the same, with the key difference on the back wall. The 14FK has a U-shaped convertible dinette, while the 15TB has twin beds that can convert to a single king. Need to sleep more than 2 people? Moving up to accommodate an additional person are the 19FBS, 19FD, and 19QB. All are rear bath models. The 19FD has a convertible dinette and versatile Murphy bed. The 19FBS and 19QB both have single slides and camper queen beds. Choice for a third guest sleeping accommodation lies in if you want the convertible dinette found in the 19QB or a sofa with an indoor-outdoor table that you'll find in the 19FBS. Taking 4 or even 5 on your journeys would take getting the 17PR, 16BH, or 19BH. With the canvas pop-out full bed off the back wall, the 17PR is the sole hybrid in the E Pro line. In the front, you'll be able to sleep 2 more in the Murphy bed. Last but certainly not least are the 16BH and 19BH bunkhouse floor plans designed to sleep up to 5. The 19BH is longer, has the traditional off-campside twin beds, full bed, and convertible dinette. The 16BH, while shorter, has a kitchen slide to expand the living area, twin bunks on the back wall, and a large U-shaped dinette in front. With the floor plans done, let's take a look at some of the features making a Flagstaff E Pro a good option for adventures. You can still be entertained with an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and USB port, plus an outside speaker. But what really makes the E Pro a great choice is they are designed to carry your gear. Every E Pro has the ability to carry active gear such as bikes and kayaks, with the optional Pro Rack tie-downs and mounting racks. And if you're considering some serious short-term boondocking, you can opt for the off-road package that includes 15-inch Mud Rover radial tires and a lift kit. While in these more remote areas, you can also enjoy the standard 100-watt roof-mounted solar panel with 1,000-watt inverter. E Pros are very lightweight but built to last. Every E Pro has double-welded 6-sided aluminum cage construction. Helping to keep the elements outside are a vacuum-laminated roof and walls. Whenever possible, eco-friendly Asdel composite panels are used in constructing the E Pros. On the interior, the cabinets are assembled using pocket screws with pre-drilled holes to help them last longer. A great option for those with an active lifestyle, the lightweight laminated Flagstaff E Pro can be towed by a wide variety of vehicles, help you reach your destinations, see sights you may not be able to see in larger campers, and do it all while keeping you camp comfortable.